A little bit of pine. And looks like a lot of cherry and maple. And some ash. I wonder if that's going to... They thought they had 3 loads to get out of here today. This is their 4th load. Not sure if this will be a full one and if it'll be the last one or not. We'll find out. Yeah, he did a good job.
Stumped up, we'll be all set.
receive up to 3,000 tons of wood alone for our production process, often directly in the form of sawdust. Sawmill residues, wood chips and logs are treated. A flaker is used for crushing long wood, and a knife ring flaker is used for wood chips. At 180 degrees Celsius, the chips are then dried in a drum dryer. In a screening device, the chips are sorted for size. Chips that exceed the required size are rejected. Metal, impurities and minerals are also rejected. Cleaned and sorted for size, the chips then go into the continuous production line. Here, particle board is churned out. High-quality glues serve as bonding agents. Depending on the type of board, different glue mixtures and dosages are used. Soaked with glue, the chips are spread on the press belt. The first layer is fine chips for the lower face. Then come more coarse chips for the medium layer. And finally, again, fine chips for the upper face layer. Altogether, they form the so-called particle mat, which under pressure and heat is transformed into a load-bearing panel. At the end of the line, an inline saw cuts the panels to size. At this moment, they still have a temperature of up to 250 degrees. To let the panels cool down, they are then fed into the Star Cooler. From there, they are conveyed via the stacking machine to the conditioning storage. The panels are left to condition for 24 hours. Cooled down to storage temperature, they are now ready for fine sanding. In the sanding line, the panels are sanded to the desired thickness, giving them a totally even surface on both sides. This is not only important for the finishing process, absolute surface evenness is a requirement we also make on our raw particle board. This is directly checked at our sanding line using state-of-the-art technology and our decades-long experience. With butt edges or tongued and grooved, our raw particle board is manufactured for easy and precise installation. Last but not least, precision is also required at the cut-to-size saw. In some plants, we even provide cut-to-size formats up to a size of 18 by 20 centimeters. A fully automatic packaging line makes the panels ready for dispatch. From there, they are either immediately sent to our coating plant, where they are finished with numerous decors and textures, or they go directly to our clients. That is industry.